What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let's talk about how to lock Shopify store. So first, log into Shopify. You can see that we are in the Home tab. From here, select the online store, which is located at the left of your screen. While we are still in the online store tab, click Preferences. In the Preferences, scroll down till you find Password Protection. In the Password Protection section, click Restrict Access to Visitors with the password, which can be available when you make a plan subscription. After checking the box, set the password like mine is Maria, for example. It's up to you if you want to leave a message to your visitors. Then click Save, which you are going to find at the bottom of your screen as you scroll down. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.